Introduction to passionfruit. Passionfruit, also known as lilikoi in Hawaii, is a small, round, exotic fruit that packs a burst of tangy flavor. It has a distinctive outer rind and a juicy, aromatic pulp inside, filled with crunchy black seeds. Originating in South America, passionfruit is now grown in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Whether eaten fresh or used in beverages, passionfruit is known for its unique and vibrant flavor. Scientific name: Passiflora edulis. Family: Passifloraceae. Native to South America, Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina. Grown in tropical and subtropical climates globally: Southeast Asia, Australia, Africa, and the Caribbean. Types of passionfruit. Passionfruit comes in different varieties, each with unique characteristics. 1. Purple passionfruit, the most common variety with a dark purple rind and yellow-orange pulp. It is known for its strongly aromatic flavor and tartness. 2. Yellow passionfruit, larger and with a bright yellow rind. This variety is more acidic and has a slightly sweeter pulp compared to the purple version. 3. Giant granadilla, a larger variety of passionfruit, often orange in color with a milder taste and a slightly less acidic pulp. 4. Sweet granadilla, a sweeter variety of passionfruit with a lighter orange skin and a softer pulp, often enjoyed for its gentler sweetness. Nutritional value of passionfruit per 100 gram. Calories: 97 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 23.4 gram. Natural energy. Fiber: 10.4 gram, supports digestion. Vitamin C: 30 milligram. Immunity booster. Vitamin A: 64 IU, supports healthy vision. Potassium: 348 milligram, supports heart health. Folate: 14 micrograms, supports cell growth. Water content: 73%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of passionfruit. 1. Rich in fiber. Passionfruit contains high levels of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation and promotes gut health. 2. Supports immunity. With its rich vitamin C content, passionfruit helps boost the immune system and protect against illnesses. 3. Promotes heart health. The potassium in passionfruit supports healthy blood pressure, and its antioxidants protect the heart and blood vessels. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Passionfruit is loaded with flavonoids and carotenoids, powerful antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 5. Supports healthy skin. The vitamin A in passionfruit supports skin health and helps in maintaining a healthy complexion. 6. Helps in weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, passionfruit can aid in weight management by providing a feeling of fullness. 7. Promotes eye health. Passionfruit's vitamin A content is beneficial for maintaining good eyesight and protecting against age-related eye problems. Fun facts about passionfruit. 1. Passionfruit is part of the passionflower family. The name passionfruit comes from the passionflower plant, Passiflora, known for its beautiful, intricate flowers. 2. The seeds are edible. The small black seeds in the pulp are edible and add a crunchy texture to the fruit. 3. The flower of the passionfruit plant is one of the most unique in the world, with striking colors and an intricate structure that resembles a crown. 4. Passionfruit vines are fast-growing and can cover fences and trellises quickly, making them a favorite among gardeners in tropical climates. 5. Passionfruit's unique flavor comes from the combination of sweet and tart notes, making it a popular choice for desserts, drinks, and cocktails. How passionfruit grows. 1. Passionfruit vines prefer sunny climates, with plenty of sunlight and rich, well-drained soil. 2. The vine produces stunning flowers that eventually turn into the fruit. Each vine can produce multiple fruits in a single season. 3. Passionfruit vines require a trellis or support to climb, as they are not self-supporting and need something to latch onto. 4. The fruit ripens on the vine, turning from green to yellow in the yellow variety, or purple in the purple variety. Uses of passionfruit. 1. Eaten fresh. To eat passionfruit, simply cut it in half, scoop out the juicy pulp with a spoon, and enjoy the tangy, aromatic flavor. 2. In smoothies, Passion fruit can be added to smoothies for an exotic twist and to add a tropical kick to the mix. 3. Passion fruit juice. Passion fruit juice is refreshing and sweet, making it a perfect thirst quencher on a hot day. 4. Passion fruit in desserts. Use passion fruit pulp in cakes, tarts, ice creams, and sorbet for a tropical, tangy flavor. 5. In cooking, passion fruit can be used in savory dishes such as salsas, dressings, and glazes for meats like chicken or fish. 6. Passion fruit syrup. Passion fruit syrup is a popular ingredient in cocktails and mocktails, adding both sweetness and tartness. 7. Passion fruit in sauces. Use the pulp to create a sweet tart sauce for grilled meats or fruit salads. Conclusion: passion fruit is a tropical treasure that brings a burst of tangy flavor to your taste buds. Not only is it delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that are great for your health. Whether you enjoy it fresh, in drinks, or in desserts, passion fruit is a versatile, exotic fruit that will add a tropical touch to any dish or snack.